Hey everyone, this is Techy Studios here. Welcome to my channel. This is going to be my very first review. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. And I know this is not going to be a tech review. This is more so a card review. But I guess you could say it's part of tech. This is the crypto card that came in the mail. I ordered it about a week, well I would say a month ago, and it came in a couple days ago. So it was the process was very long waiting for this card. I was really anticipating to do a review on it. So we're going to go straight into it. So it comes in this discreet envelope, which I think is quite like their logo is not put on here. Also, you see me already took out the box, but here is the I guess the cardholder agreement, which is pretty thick. We give you all the benefits and basically the terms of agreement of the card. And what I have here is the actual card holder. Now this is quite unique because I ordered a bunch of prepaid cards before, and I never had a prepaid card order like this. It comes in a blue box and it's pretty heavy. I haven't opened it as of yet. So we're going to open it now and we're going to see what's inside of it. Alright, so I'm opening it. Let's see. Alright, so I'm pulling it out and it comes in this fancy looking, wow. I wasn't expecting this. Thank you, too simple. So they give you a little thank you card, which is pretty decent. I like that. Nice attention to detail. And here is the actual card. So I'm pulling it here. Look at this. Look, it comes like this. Look, you see this? Hopefully you guys can see this. This is pretty cool. So the card is here, and I am willing to slide it open just like this. And the card is just a regular plastic card. It's not the metal one. Now they do have tier cards. They have I have the free one. As far as I guess the MCO rewards is only 1% of all card spending. Also, they have a ruby. They have a plum and green forest. They also have a rose gold and silver, and they also have a black card. The black card is 5%. The silver and pink card is 4%. The ruby and green forest card, I'm sorry, the purple and green forest card is 3%, and the ruby is 2%. And it has more perks too. Spotify, Netflix, Expedia, so on and so forth. They have a bunch of perks that you can actually use for these tier cards. Now the one that I have is the free card. I only get the 1%, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I really like the attention to detail of the card, and how it comes in this little funky box here. But yes, hopefully you guys will enjoy this little review. I really don't have much to say about the card. I will have to basically activate it and see if there's any other flaws besides the one review that I read, that the currency was coming in too late when they were sending or transferring their currency off to a different account. But anyway, this is Techy Studios here. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I am signing off.